How are you? It's Steve James from New York Martial Arts Academy, and today we're going to discuss dealing with a fighter who's in the opposite lead. So I stand with my right foot forward. In this stance, Kevin's standing with his left foot forward. So a couple things to watch out for. He's got to watch out for my backhand, and of course I got to watch out for his backhand. So typically, it's taught to circle this way when you're fighting to stay away from that right hand, which we're going to get into, is absolutely correct, but you still have to move to the left, right? So when we're moving to the left, let's go through some tips and tricks. What I don't do, I don't move too tight here, because I'm going to eat that kick, and I'm going to eat that right hand, and I'm going to eat the kick itself. So when I circle here, I want to circle this way, away from that right hand, slightly out of the way of that right kick, and again, it keeps me safe, right? So now, let's switch to offense for a second. Let's talk about tools that work really well when you're in the opposite lead. Like I mentioned before, if I could shoot my left hand and start zoning this way, it gets me away from his power hand and his power kick. So that's called a rear straight. As I'm firing and getting away from that right hand and that right leg, like I said before. In Jeet Kune Do, we call this corkscrew, which is essentially a jab married with a curve step. A curve step is this motion. A jab is a simple jab like that. So corkscrew right there. Now, these are the ones that get really cool, right? So, of course, that lead leg is vulnerable. I can slam it, right? I'm there. I slam it. But what's really cool is that liver kick. Bang. As I fire my right, boom, I put my shin right into his liver on the right side. Let's put some of these in combination, right? First one, I'm here. I'm going to feint, low kick, liver kick, right? So, again, I feint the right hand, low kick, liver kick, right? That's a pretty cool one. Another one, I start with that low kick again. Bang, rear straight cork, right? So again, I'm here, I fire that low kick, rear straight corkscrew, and again, I'm staying away from that side. So imagine I came straight in, now I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna zone fire, right? So I'm here, I shoot, I sidestep fire again. Because again, if I go, then he fires that right, I'm sidestepping, and I'm catching him right off of that angle, right? So that's a couple of tips and tricks for dealing with somebody in the opposite lead. Let's quickly review. I typically want to stay away from this right hand and that right leg. When I move to the left, I got to make sure I don't move too close because, again, I'm going to eat it. When I move to the right, I want to take the angle and be hitting at the same time, if possible. That lead leg is there for the taking, as is that liver kick. So, again, just to quickly review, you want to put those tools together, right? You want to put that corkscrew, you definitely want to throw the cross in there, you want to attack the lead leg, attack the liver. By no means is that the total number of strikes you can throw, but those are good ones. The better you can put those together, the more dangerous you'll be. And I want you guys to come in, subscribe to the channel, so you can get more video content just like this. Have a good one.